Hey, y'all. Welcome to the channel. For those of you that are new, welcome to Birthing Bosses with Felicia. I am Boss Lady Fee. Happy Friday, you guys. Listen, I wanted to let you guys know October the 11th, guys, I'm having round two for my birthday celebration, guys. Yes. Get in the room. For those of you that are in North Carolina or surrounding areas, guys, tap in. The flyer has been included in this video, and it's also on my community posts. Okay, so anyway, guys, moving right on into the video for today. It's going to be a real simple video, guys, but I wanted to give a shout out on this video to Driven Fortitude, guys. She came to my event in Florida. She always comes to my events, guys, and I'm so grateful for that. But these are some of the items that she brought for me. Y'all, when Driven comes, she come and loaded, okay? She coming loaded with bags and bags and bags, okay, and racks. She coming with lots of stuff. So y'all know I had been saying I didn't have any pink ribbon. And guess what? Driven always be listening at everything I say. So honey, she loaded me down with pink. Okay, so Boss Lady Fee is full of pink. All right, so y'all get ready to see pink here, pink there, pink everywhere. So I'm gonna be making some gift baskets. She said the only thing I require or I request is that you make videos with the stuff that you're using. Y'all already know I'm gonna do that, honey. It's nothing that y'all give me that I don't use. If it's something that I absolutely cannot use myself, then I gift it away to somebody that I know can use and get a great deal of value from whatever that item is. But honey, when it comes to ribbon, baby, I'm gonna use it. I don't even care if it's a pattern I really don't like. Y'all know Boss Lady Fee gonna make it do what it do, okay? And it's always gonna sell. So here I am, guys, using some of the ribbon that she bought me. I love that pink, red, and white. It kind of resembles like a candy cane effect, but when the pink comes into play, guys, it gives the option and possibility to be used for any holiday. I mean, hey, whether it had the pink in it or not, if that's what you chose to do, that's what you chose to do, because I've used this red and white without the pink on Valentine's. All right, so it's up to you, honey, how you design and what it is that you make work for your craft. So I'm just making some bows out of this beautiful ribbon that she gave me. And you guys can probably see some of the items are sitting back on the table as well, like that water bottle. She gave me like some little canisters. I don't know, I maybe put some candy or either put some bath salts or something in there. But she gave me items to go in the baskets as well as those containers that you see back there, those metal containers. Now, they were really cute. I love the color of pink that she bought. And guys, listen, all of my boss buddies that came with loads of stuff. So the videos that you see coming up soon, the next few videos, you will be seeing me use ribbon. Shout out to Cheryl, Crafts by Cheryl. She came in with the ribbon, baby. When I tell y'all, they blessed me tremendously. And not only am I a blessing to this community, but you guys are a blessing to me as well. I'm like, girl, you stopped. You know, you stopped for a while when it comes to that ribbon. So y'all know I always keep tons of ribbon. But certain colors and patterns I was basically out of. I was out of my polka dot. Y'all know that's my fave. And Miss Cheryl bought me quite a few rows of that. And then Driven hooked me up with the pink, honey. She hooked me up with so many different kinds of ribbon. So anyway, it is what it is. On this video, I'm just showing you guys the cute bows that I'm making to go with these baskets. The actual baskets, I will design them in another video because this video was getting a tad bit too long. Y'all know I don't play no games about my bows, okay? So this video is getting a little bit, tad bit long, okay? So I'm going to actually design the basket on the next one. But I wanted to show you guys some of the ribbon that my boss buddies had bought. And also to advertise for my second birthday celebration here in North Carolina, guys. Because there were a lot of surrounding people. Shout out to Shanta Queen Faison. Shant has already got her ticket, guys. The tickets are only $20. And I'm just selling the tickets to cover the cost of the venue and the DJ and all of that. So I only charge $20 for the ticket. So if you guys would like to come on. Y'all, I'm pulling on my Georgia crew. I'm pulling on my Georgia crew like, y'all, what can we do? What can Boss Lady Fee do to help y'all get here? Like, listen, y'all, they my A team. They my A1 from day one. And also, shout out to Wrap It Up, Marie. I'm like, Marie, Come, can you come? Can you come? Marie said her husband said, hell to the no, no, no. Like, you girl, you just came from Georgia spending all of that money and you think you're getting ready to go to North Carolina. Like, what can I do to get y'all here? Y'all email me. Y'all give me a shout out in the chat that we have on Facebook, y'all. Let's make it happen if you can. If you can't, guys, I'll see y'all soon at an event. But y'all, my boss ladies are now like my family. I look to see them if my family don't even show up, part of my family. Y'all know my household gonna show up, period. But I'm talking about like my distant relatives. Like if they don't even show up, I know my boss ladies gonna show up. So they are like family to me. So I be looking for them in the crowd. Okay, we had a ball in Georgia, y'all, and I would love to celebrate with you guys. Hey, y'all can come Friday. We can hang out Saturday. Y'all can go with me to church Sunday. Listen, let's make it do what it do. But like I said, if you guys can't, I understand. So those of you that have not came to any of my events, if you would like to come to my birthday party, now this is not going to be a business event, but where I'm having my birthday party at, I've already talked with the facility guys and I am able to do my workshops, my classes and things like that at the same building. So I'm excited about that. So y'all guys stay tuned because after I get through with Holy Convocation at my church, which is in November, I am going to be looking forward to doing some classes with you guys. So, hey, get in the room. That's something Queen Sheba from Inspirations by Sheba say all the time. Get in the room, okay? Y'all need to get in the room with Boss Lady Fee. I'm telling you, you do. I'm not just saying it because it's me. I'm just telling you what I know, okay? Anyway, guys, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. Hit the bell, guys, so that each and every time I upload a video, bam, you will be the first to be notified. Get your money, honey, and fill your bag on this Friday. All right. See you guys on the next video. Bye, y'all. Get your money, honey. And fill your bag.
She's a boss. Birthing bosses. Birthing bosses. She's birthing bosses. Birthing bosses. What you know about Fee? She's a boss. What you say about Fee? She's a boss. Birthing bosses. She's birthing bosses. Birthing bosses. Birthing bosses.
Get your money, honey.
Birthing bosses. Bosses. Birthing bosses.
And fill your bag.
What you know about Fee? She's a boss. What you say about Fee? She's a boss. Birthing bosses. Birthing bosses. She's birthing bosses. Birthing bosses. What you know about Fee? She's a boss. What you say about Fee?